5-day 2025 at Wild Country Off-Road.
Y'all make some noise for me. What y'all want me to say? Y'all was singing the hell out of me tonight. You say what? What you say? You want me to say? She talking about don't sing that, take your clothes off, baby. I can put this shirt on, got him.
You know Eli in the mix, right?
Oh my love.
What we're gonna do right here is go back, way back into time.
From you is never too much. Oh my love.
Straight. That way you can go through all the little holes. Antonio, hey man, what's your name here?
Antonio, you see it on the
Okay then. Where you from? Mobile. Okay then. What you driving, man? Honda. Okay then. Hey, what's your name is, man?
Huh?
What's your name is?
True.
Where you from?
Pensacola, Florida.
Pensacola, Florida.
Leaksville, Mississippi.
Okay then.
Real weak.
Okay then. What's your name is, man?
No real backporch DJ. Find on Instagram.
Where you from?
Grand Bay type shit. Finally
Okay,
road,
then.
really. Not no Grand Bay, but we finally road baby type. Real dirt road babies.
Okay.
Real
Be
dirt road
careful.
baby.
Okay then. Hey, Mr. Excuse me, sir. What's your name is? What's your name? Tell the good folks what's your name, man.
I'm running JB, man, in the building, finna do it.
Where you from?
Do it. I'm from Mobile, man, down 43.
What you driving, man?
Come on,
Walk over here.
Let me introduce to y'all this bad motherfucker right here.
Okay, then we got a new face in the building, y'all.
22 Can-Am Renegade.
Okay, then.
All I gotta do is just some motherfucker in here.
That who do it? Get your right. Get
You
your,
hear me?
Get your money right. Get your
If you
bike
see
right.
this stick on the bike, leave that bitch alone.
Yeah, okay, then. Okay, then.
That bitch gotta blow and go today, cuz.
Taking that belt home today?
This bitch gotta blow and go today, bitch.
Taking that belt. What's your name, is, man?
What is that? Right here.
Oh, it's some. Oh. Okay, then.
B-Town.
Okay, then.
Why you say 1K?
1,000. Okay, then.
I'm all bitch.
Where you from, man?
I already know. Spike Pond.
Okay.
Spike Pond, that's how we coming down. Y'all don't see it.
Spike Pond in the building. Okay, then. Oh, yeah? That's the rider right there?
That's the rider right there.
Oh, I got me another contestant. Right? Oh. Hey, so woo! Where you from, man? What's your name and where you from, man? Hey, what's your name, man?
My name is Daryl, man.
Where you from, Daryl?
McIntosh.
Alabama. Okay, then riding big. Hey, enjoy yourself, Mr. Daryl. What's your name, sir?
Superman.
Damn, that's how it is, you know. Hey, where you from, bro?
I'm from with you.
Okay.
BBR County.
Okay.
We all around the same area. We ain't far from each other.
Okay.
We around the same area. We ain't far from each other. Tell that boy that talking shit how you been talking on Facebook.
Oh, talking about
We get paid to pay. We get paid to pay that nigga like a mouse. He can't hold me a mouse.
Damn.
He like a mouse.
Damn.
Paid to pay. He like
That
a
man
mouse.
say he taking that belt from y'all this year. Y'all ain't gonna be the same.
Man, I tell everybody I wear the belt around them motherfuckers. You gotta take it from me first.
They said the man said he putting belt to ass on y'all with all that horsepower.
He shot him.
He said he
ain't got enough.
gonna send that horsepower through that hole. I done seen somebody pump the water out too, man. Out that hole. so y'all can get through there.
No.
So I think
I went through it yesterday, so you know they ain't even pump it out for me.
I just watched somebody stock height.
They pump it out for boy like him.
They got a stock height ready, so I don't want to see no stock height sitting on the sideline at all.
If you ride with it, if you ride,
You know.
oh,
Here we go. Why you got? I'm recording, man. I'm recording.
Where your bike at?
I tell you what, I could be nothing deep. He ain't talking about nothing deep. That nigga ain't talking about nothing.
I'm gonna slap the tires on you.
I tell you what, if y'all let Fluff win, if y'all let Fluff win, y'all gotta let him snatch y'all K&M stickers off y'all bike. On my mama. That sound like a
That's
deal.
all right. I told him what I'm gonna do for him.
Each body he killed, he snatched the K&M logo off their bike.
I ain't got heat with nobody but JB.
Oh, the JB?
I'm gonna push that bitch out. You see that right here? You see this right here?
Miller, he gonna snatch that
My
motherfucker.
name ain't Fluff, and that bitch don't go back to Ken and Wayne Monday morning if you fucking around with me. Oh, that's your plan already. That's the plan though.
He gonna tear it up just so it can go back.
Today.
That's what I'm talking about. JB, he got that bit right just for today, man.
Man,
it ain't no
right.
he doing.
It right.
I got faith in him.
One time for it right.
I got faith in him. I got faith in him. I believe somebody in that camp gonna take it. It's either gonna be him or that Indian or light skinned dude on that Honda.
You so damn funny.
You know what? Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. That's one you gonna have the belt fight with.
Yeah, that's who gonna give you a battle for your money. Man, I gotta order that stuff off of Amazon, bro. I had this hoe since 2018, bro. I just ain't never used it. I had it when I had my Raptor. That's when I used it. Tell. Hey man, where you from?
Hey,
Where you from, man? Do I know you?
I'm from 751 country.
751 country. Hey, Thomasville. Y'all up that road, man. What you driving, man? K&M Defender.
K&M Defender.
You got 751 mud banners in here. All right, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on them trail.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the Carter motherfucker. Yeah. And in my building, I must keep it real. Let's go to hang with the South. Yeah, no problem. did what we call a coup.
Hey, with it, huh? Everybody know what it is. Everybody gonna be able to get through it easy. I said they let them side by side go first. Get that bit deep. That be too easy. That easy money though. That easy money though. If they going through that bitch like that with nobody, that easy money though.
They need to come up there.
Car man like color. These niggas be having reps around, they acting like I'm a rough. Shit, hoes talk up and fuck. Get fucked when they was tough. Every day I read up on the double. Dirty money I spread with clump. Try to do it, tell her I rock. First play with the head, she blow. I make sure she get her swimming lesson. I started the backstroke. Yeah, you would have done I had the tennis glass myself in my zipper cup. I'm popping these pills, smiling like weed, don't fuck with the world show. He said he was standing on business, but him and I had a combo. I was in the kitchen to get in the club, he standing in line, bro. Every day they free my closet, carrying the bench, I'm down slow. I feel go to you out of pocket, baby, I'm sorry, don't drive slow. I'm doing that up in the club, the money you risk your life, fuck. I'm riding the concrete, my boys, one, I can't put a price on. My twin got big ass stone in it, I like did a high phone. I'm ready to pick up for back and put a phone in it. They took me to catch a loan, take any ass stones in it. Need some stuff, come on, up, got some bones in it. Fuck on my phone, special love, I'm on crown in it. Be mad at me, be mad, your hoe, the fuck is wrong with them. Y'all take that front end, I'm taking doing a song with them. I take that shit right there, everywhere,
When your package straight at nothing, we could have it lit this month. I was told Scotty pull on niggas, I can't pass the rock. Niggas by they heart, I get them songs just for it to flop. If I hear it knocking, no invite, I'm picking up the chop. Rather watch the money counter dance, I ain't spinning blocks. $1,000 jeans plus 250 for a button down. Niggas talk the money, pockets check, they ain't got
It's hot as hell out here, y'all. It's hot. It's hot, man. Yeah, it's hot. It's hot. So hot.
Their feet on the wall.
What y'all want to do about that rut down there? What y'all want to call it? It's a bad rut.
Hey, we ain't worried about that.
We'll come out the rut.
We ain't worried about that.
So stop it when he come out the rut, right? So green on it?
On the weird stuff.
I'm telling he come out. All right. When he come out the rut. All right.
Let them cars eat. Let them eat.
You only got 1 minute. A minute and 40.
Get back on that motherfucker, Jake. Yeah.
A minute and 50.
Get on that bitch, Jake.
I'll do it in 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Get on your bike, Jake. Get on the bike, Jake. He just needs to get on the bike.
Hey, get on your bike. Get on that motherfucker. Get on that motherfucker. Put two. Get on that, right? Get on that seat. Get on that seat. Get on that seat. Come on, he don't want to get on that seat though.
What time is it?
What'll be 3 minutes? He needs to saddle that motherfucker though, man.
They might well call that shit right now.
I knew that.
Put that something back on. Get in there. Get in there, homie. There you go. You saved that something, bro. Oh, don't hit it too hard. Oh, don't hit it too hard.
Get out of that bitch.
Gotta have somebody pick it up in the back. I'm getting my ass down. Oh, shit.
Easy now, easy.
Ain't nothing to walk.
Oh, damn. That bitch just blow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. And I bet she topped off that two-tone tank at Texaco before she hits the road. And I bet she's pissed off enough to pick herself up a pack of smokes, even though she don't flip or roll the dice. It's a left or it's a right. One's going my way and one's here on the highway. Heads its headlights, heading home. Tread left off forgiveness, tells its taillights, tailing on. For that for forgiveness is that anthem kicking up. That last goodbye cloud of dust is gonna get made. Or does she miss me? Tonight it's looking F-150-50. Yeah, tonight it's looking F-150-50.
Oh. Now you out riding your damn self. He in a donut on y'all leg. He gonna go back. He gonna go the other way on y'all leg. Hey, Flo, go back the other way. Go the other way, Flo. Go back the other way. Hey, go that way, Flo. Just go that way on their ass. Go back that way on their ass. Go back that way on their ass, Flo. Get their ass what they want to see. Get their ass what they want to see, Flo. Get their ass what they want to see.
We turn around and now.
That boy gonna go back the other way. He finna go up that hill. He finna go back that hill. Uh-oh, sight! Other way! Other way! Other way, sight! Tell her sight! Hey, kid.
Hold on, off the shit.
Hey, hold the gas, ho. Come on, Keyshawn.
Hey, the end of the hole right there. Hey, the exit right there, bro. He ain't got no brake.
He ain't got no brake. Just hold. You gotta hold. You gotta hold that motherfucker. Just a little bit, not too much. Man, let's do it. Do it. That'd be a good ass lock. We'll start the pot up for you, bro. We'll start the pot up. We'll start the pot up. We'll do a pot. We'll start the pot up. We'll start the pot up. On my mama. We'll start the pot up. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with you, yeah. On you ain't lying. You wanted a shirt. You always want somebody's shirt, nigga. You need to stop that damn want everybody's shirt. He ain't lying. You quit asking everybody for their damn shirt. That shit catching up on your ass now.
You get off your bike. That's all you do is get off your bike.
I know that beer muddy, my man.
We shook on the rules.
I know that beer muddy.
Fuck out of here.
Stop paying.
We shook on the rules before we even went in. He timed me 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Waxed his ass. He couldn't even make it out the end.
What you want? What you want?
Behind the roof,
He was drunk ass. Oh, he letting the lady drive this motherfucker. That bitch too heavy. You think you gonna make it through? That ain't too heavy. Too heavy. I really think it's too heavy.
Woo! Hey! In the hole.
Woo! Oh! Woo!
Yeah. Put that arm in there.
Over with.
Oh, they're going in reverse, ain't it? Hey, just go in reverse. Hey, go in reverse.
Where the excavator at? Where the excavator?
Go in reverse.
It ain't no way them big ass guys it's go like
Hey, go in reverse. Go in reverse. Yeah, let it keep going.
Mike Rice saying today.
Mike Rice saying today, boy. Hey, get that man a trophy.
Just baby walk that motherfucker.
I'ma make sure when we pull that ticket, when we pull that fucking ticket, I'm gonna go right behind him. All I gotta do is beat him, not taking all side bitch. All of them. We got a lot of shit in it, boy. Let ride it. My bike hurt. And you know that. That bitch was clicking. Hey, bro, go look at my tie. My tie hanging on my bike. I don't give a damn. My tie hanging on my bike, bro. I don't want to hear that click. That ain't even false. Don't talk, but don't say what you did to me if you can't do it right now. What? Don't say what you did if you can't do it right now. What I did, cause we can go back in the trailer. Let go then. Let go. Them motherfuckers. And lock that money. I'm gonna do it just like me and lock that shit in. Fuck. I don't give a damn what your bike did. I don't give a damn what your bike did. You won. Okay, you want somebody want to say what? Hold on. Hey, you want to know what's crazy? We weren't even going in the same hole. We was out there playing around in different holes. I was going through the shit now. Come on, give me a knife. Give me a knife. No. We bet on this. We bet on it now. I ain't got nothing to do with you. Come on. You want to get it right here? But don't cut my shirt off. You want to get him? You want to? Hey, cut his titty. You want to cut his titty out? Hey, record it. I got it. I give his ass a belly button or something. Oh, Lord. Damn. All right. Damn. You like that? Damn. You should have made his ass a crop teeth. Hey, put that bitch on your phone, JB. I wanted to cut the mic right off that motherfucker. Oh, yeah. I wanted to cut the mic right off that motherfucker. Let me tie this bitch on. Tie that bitch on you. Nigga. Oh, he cut the shirt, nigga. Hey, Hey, you got me zoom in on that shit. South Alabama, United States. I just can't talk to niggas like them. I'm beat your head on the snorkel in the water, folks. Damn. That's over with. Ooh! Hey! Cut it up! He dead right now! He gone! Hey! That's Chris Henry! Hey! Hey! That's Chris Henry! Hey! No! No, sir! Hey! God damn! What's going on, Mike? You looking big eye. Hey, hold your stick right there. Hold your stick right there. Push. Give his ass a hand, man. I'm gonna bag it up now. Man, bring your big shit ass on right here, man. Come on, man. I'm gonna stick. Fight right. Fight right. You can't talk to me. He's instead of driving that bitch went on the water and everything. Right? Ain't no way. Hey, let me get out this too. He on the wall, huh? He done down, touched it down, snorkel under the water. What's wrong with y'all today, man? What's going on? 250. What's going on with the hunters today, man? I don't know, man. Y'all let the trench runners run the trench today. Oh. Y'all done let the trench runners run the trench today, man. What's going on, Flo? On my shirt, man. 2 dead bodies from 2 different camps. No, man. 2 dead bodies from 2 different camps. Mike, right? Wait, right here. Hey, wait, that's right here, right? Yeah, your handprint right now. Right here. We gotta stop doing this. Oh, Chubb gonna do it. Y'all gonna let Chubb do it? I know y'all ain't gonna let Chubb do it. I know y'all ain't gonna let Chubb do it. Oh, goodbye. He said goodbye. Better sit in that bitch. He said he handing out bricks. With the cigarette. He said he handing out bricks. I bet 500. I bet 500 he get past that. I bet 500 he get past that right there. Oh, there's the R&B right there. I bet some gas. I bet you some. Hey, $50. I don't want my ticket back. Give me $50. He passed that right up. Oh, R&B got. Uh-oh. Why they switch? Hey, look. All right, switch. And then y'all got view. Hey, it ain't how you got there go in a motherfucker. You still got all this. Wait, where's that beach out there? Lock it in. Uh-oh, there it is. That's the mark. There it is. He dead. He done passed the mark. There it is. There it is, Mike. Mike, there it is. He gone, Mike. He gone, Mike. He gone. Hey, that's twice. That's twice. Mike, that's twice. That's twice. That's motherfucking twice. That's twice, nigga. That's twice. You keep on beating your motherfucker. That's twice. Go ahead. Give him this goddamn brick. Hey, we gonna give you this brick back, cuz we don't want this motherfucker. Hey, that's twice. Man, that's twice. Boy, we need lots of money in. This is some good ass money, boy. Then they got people to come through their whole too. Yeah. Oh, man. I don't know. Hey, I want to gotta pay up, motherfucker.
Hey, he know who this for. We D-balling out niggas out here. Knock you out like your daddy used to. Put it down, son. That's what he told him. Oh, cut off? It is? Cut off? Damn. It's all right. That was a good run. That's a good run. There you go there. He off of it now. He off of it. That's it. The same mark. No, I think. Yeah, about the same mark as Mike. He off of it. RB, you running this shit, nigga. You running this shit, nigga.
Y'all, hold on. I'm gonna go. Hold on. Let me go get my shit. Two-wheel drive.
Hey, that white boy got a built renegade. He finna send through on y'all legs, he said.
That's my homeboy. He love that shit. He ain't lying. He love it. Shit.
Now, Bruce, you know about stuff like that. Y'all jumping out there.
That's twice. That's twice. I want him to sign this motherfucking brick, too. I want him to sign this motherfucking brick.
Hey, Mike! We still beat you! Hey, Mike!
Man, you tough. You tough. You tough. Nigga touch. Nigga touch. The nigga he touch. You being touched. You being touched though.
Hey! Don't tell him. You want to do it again? How many times kick your ass? Don't tell him. How many times kick your ass? And JP too. Hey! You got the ass, boy. What I'm doing to you yesterday? What I'm doing to you yesterday? Pop troll. I mean that. Hey! Why you stopping? Did I win? Did I win? Oh, man. Where's JP Testimony? Where's Testimony? Okay.
Right here.
Who won?
And the little Asian dude touched his ass way over there, so he over it too, for real. Unless Greg want to come out of retirement. Don't y'all want to see Greg give a little one time before the one time?
I'm over it.
Maybe Greg got some good luck. I mean, you just got to luck. It might be some luck out here today. You never know. You might be a Wheeler King up through this motherfucker. Hey, no, that's what he need. Yeah. Take some of it. And then go get on your four-wheeler and go down. Oh, there go the man with the plan. Hold up. He was walking that bitch. Hey, he won that bitch. He won that bitch. He won that bitch. He didn't get off that bitch. He won that bitch. He won that bitch. He won that bitch. He walked that bitch. He didn't get off that bitch all the way down. He won that bitch.
I'll be back. I'll be back. I'm coming back. He ride like
hell no, they just recruited. They just recruited his ass.
there.
They don't even know who that man is for real. He just came out here to ride. They talking about something.
He riding him. They got on top of it.
Man, damn. Oh, shit. We doing podcast now. Get some nutter in there. That man right here won. He walked. I ain't get the beginning part, but he walked there.
We run this shit. Ain't nobody fucking with us. You got the